Imagine a masterpiece left under open skies, exposed to the unpredictable moods of nature. Wind whittles sharp edges, rain carves delicate grooves, and ice cracks surfaces, all slowly reshaping the form with each passing season. Over years, these invisible hands collaborate, altering intentions and unveiling unexpected beauty. Sometimes, moss and lichen add vibrant greens, while sunlight bleaches or deepens hues. The result is a living artwork, one that evolves beyond its maker's vision, telling a story of time, resilience, and the ongoing dance between creativity and the elements.